from Bihar News.
Bihar CM Nitish Kumar tells official to increase production of makhana, shahi lychee, honey to strengthen Bihar's economy. 8% of migrants in Bihar test positive, state stares at big count. The COVID-19 tally in Bihar jumped to 1,442 cases, with state capital Patna topping the list at 166 confirmed cases. 35 laborers in Hong Sandra recover some leave for Bihar. 9 migrant laborers killed in road accident in Bihar.
The total number of confirmed cases of coronavirus in India is 1,1299, with the death of 3,168. Kejriwal says buses, cabs to be run with limited passenger in 4th phase. Air India to bring 169 nationals from Dhaka. Special flight brings home 9 Indians, depart with 143 Afghan nationals. Anjum Premji Foundation partners with National Center for Biological Science and INSTEAM to explore more effective tests. 6 districts from Maharashtra to be part of National Sero Survey. Uber CEOs leaders on 3,000 layoff. Thousands of migrants gathered in Mumbai's Bandra. IMD says most intense cyclones have been formed in Bay of Bengal. EU nations reopen widely for summer. Japan in recession. Russia coronavirus cases ace toward 3 lakh. Nepal approved new map including Lipu Lake, Kalapani, Limpiadura and missed border rose with India. WHO bows to call from countries for independent virus probe. China reports 23 fresh coronavirus cases including one in Wuhan. Brazil jumps to 3rd in COVID-19 cases worldwide. India and Israel agree to strengthen bilateral ties.
Now let's move towards the sports and entertainment zone.
ICC Cricket Committee recommends ban on use of saliva to shine ball. Pakistani cricketer Yasir Shah blessed with baby girl. Virat Kohli recalls time when his father refused to pay bribe for his selection. Colombia's Sara Lopez clinches first archery lockdown knockout. Youngsters not coming to stadiums to watch their heroes in action a serious issue, Pakistani cricketer Babar Azmi said. Ranveer Singh takes major inspiration from Vincent van Gogh and it's a sight to behold. Sonakshi Sinha says COVID-19 pandemic has made people realize not to take things for granted. Nawazuddin Siddiqui's wife Alia on sending divorce notice to the actor says, "मेरी self-respect खत्म हो चुकी थी." Neetu Kapoor pens an emotional note as she shares a throwback pic with Rishi Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor and Ridhima. The Twilight Saga actor Georgie Tiresi Boise and his girlfriend found dead at home in Las Vegas. Brian Austin Green confirms split from Megan Fox after 10 years of marriage.
At last, let's have a look on the special report on 19th May.
Today, World Inflammatory Bowel Disease Day brings awareness to the chronic disease affecting 5 million people worldwide. #Step Up for IBD for World Inflammatory Bowel Disease Day. 19th May is also celebrated World Plant a Vegetable Gardens Day. As the old saying goes, give a man some vegetables and you feed him for a day. Teach a man how to grow a vegetables garden and you feed him whole family for life. Annually on May 19th as a National Devil's Food Cake Day, enjoyed by chocolate cake lovers throughout the country and around the world. On 19th May 1824, Nana Sahib was born. He was an Indian Peshwa of the Maratha Empire who led the rebellion in Kanpur during 1857.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.